morning, students and my dear parents. Welcome to Standard 2 English Literature Revision class. Children, what do we see in a forest? We see trees, animals and birds. Can you name some animals? Yes, we can see tiger, elephant, monkey and chimpanzees. Now you must be thinking, monkeys and chimpanzees are same. No, they are not same, children. A monkey has a tail, whereas chimpanzee do not have a tail. This is the basic difference between them. Today, we will study about a girl named Jane and her friend chimpanzee. Chapter 11, Jane and the Chimp. So, we will study about this girl named Jane and the friend chimpanzee. Topic number 1. Answer these questions. Number 1. Why did Jane move to Bombay? The answer for this, Jane moved to Bombay as her work What was her work, children? To watch chimpanzees. So, as her work was to watch chimpanzees and write about them. Number 2. Who were Jane's friends? Who were Jane's friends? Jane's friends were chimpanzees. Jane's Children, what do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see all the trees are being cut down. What will happen if we cut down all the trees in a forest? What will happen to all the animals and the birds that live there? They all will become what? They will all become homeless. So let's see the third question. Number 3. Why were the chimps in danger? The chimps were in danger because the forests in Africa. Where is Bombay? Bombay is in Africa. So the forests of Africa were being cut down and animals were losing their homes. Number 2. Write true or false. Children, the statement which is correct, against that we will write true, and the statement which is incorrect we will write false. So let's see the first one. Chimps and the humans both can make tools. So is this statement correct? Yes, it's correct. So we will write true beside it. Number 2. Chimps never get angry or scared. Is this statement correct? No. So we will write false. Number 3, chimps laugh and play like humans. This statement is correct. Yes, it's correct. So we will write true. Next, number 3, give one word answers. Children, here you have to give the answer in one word. You have to select that word from the chapter itself. The first one, in the middle of. The word given in the chapter is among, which means in the middle of something. Number 2, different from others. If someone is completely different from others, we call that person a special person. Number 3, a small forest in the country of Tanzania. The name of the forest given in the chapter is Gombe. Children, can you describe a rainy season? What do you see in a rainy season? We see people wearing raincoats and carrying umbrella. What else do you see all around? You see puddles of water. And do you hear any sound, croaking sound, or any animal hopping around? Yes, what do you see? You see frogs. You see frogs croaking everywhere. So today we will revise a poem, Frogs at School. First topic, complete the lines. Children, here you have to complete the lines according to the poem. Dash said they, we must be in time said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule. When we froggies go to school. Next, number 2, answer these questions. Number 1, where was the school? Answer for this is, it was beside the rushy pool. It was beside the rushy pool. Number 2, what color were the frogs? See your children. What color? Green and white. So the frogs were green and white in color. The frogs were green and white in color. Number 3, where did the little froggies go every day? Where did they go? They go to school. They went to school. Number 4, name 2 things the froggies liked to do. They liked to study, and number 2, they liked to play. They liked to study. The second one is they liked to play. The third topic, give the rhyming words. Here children, you have to give the rhyming word. The word should be from the poem. The first one, school. The rhyming word for school is pool. Number 2, green. The rhyming word for green is clean. Children, we have revised 2 chapters today. Chapter 11, Jane and the Chimps, and a poem, Frogs at School. These are according to the question paper pattern. But now, as we are having online examinations, the questions will be in objective form with 4 options, and you have to choose the correct one from it. Children, based on these, few worksheets will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly revise them. Thank you.